In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add meta description in WordPress step by step. Adding a meta description in your WordPress website is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have a meta description added for your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search field, type in Yoast SEO. You'll see the Yoast SEO plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button to install the plugin. Once it's done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating, you'll be on the You've successfully installed Yoast SEO page. Next, hover over the Post or Pages tab in the left side menu, depending on where you want to add the meta description to. The steps are the same for both. I'll click Pages. Next, find the page you want to add the meta description to and click Edit underneath. Scroll down to the bottom to where you see Yoast SEO, where you see Preview as Mobile Result and Desktop Result. You can change between the two to see a preview between devices. You'll see the meta description here. To add a meta description for this page, you'll see meta description here. Enter the meta description that you'd like. When I start to add in a meta description, you'll see the orange here. You want to write your meta description to be in the green. I'll paste in a meta description I've written for this page. You'll see it shows green. If I add some words, you'll see it shows orange. In this case, you'd want to remove words till it's in the green. Yoast SEO makes adding a meta description easy with the color guide. Once you've added your meta description, click the Save button to save your changes. That is how to add meta description in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.